Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can clear your Netflix watch history. So if you got your viewing choices got a little weird or maybe someone else used your profile, the secret to getting your Netflix recommendation back on track is clearing your watch history, and this is how you can do it. If you're using Netflix on mobile, you can just follow my steps. First, you can click on your profiles in the bottom right corner and tap on the three lines icon at the top. Click on account and you'll be directed to this page right here. You can just scroll down and click on privacy and data settings. Now you'll see the viewing activity options. Click on that. And to delete all of your watch history, you can scroll down until you find the hide all options. Or if you want to only delete one of the list, one from the list, you can just click on this icons right here, like the delete or declare icon, and it will be hidden from your history. And that will reset your Netflix recommendations. So within 24 hours, Netflix will forget those old titles and start recommending content based on your current taste. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on thanks. And I'll see you in the next one.